JavaScript concepts refer variables. In JavaScript, variables are used to store data that can be referenced and manipulated later. There are three ways declared variables using var, let, or constant. Arrays in JavaScript. Arrays in JavaScript are used to store multiple values in a single variable. JavaScript arrays are dynamic and can hold different data types. Functions in JavaScript. In JavaScript, functions are blocks of reusable codes that can perform specific tasks. Functions can mean breaking down programs into smaller manageable pieces, and they allow you to avoid representation by reusing the same block of code in multiple places. Objects in JavaScript. In JavaScript, objects are fundamental data structure that is stored collection of key variables paired. These keys are known as properties, and the variables associated with them are can be of any data type, including functions, arrays, and other objects. Objects allow you to group related data and fundamentally in a structured way. Key concepts of JavaScript objects. The objects declaration. Objects are declared using curly braces. Properties are defined in key value pairs separated by commas. In this example, name, wage, and job are keys. Taruni, Tatti, and developer are corresponding values associating objects properties. You can also access object properties using don't notation and bracket notation. Don't notation. Console.log. Console.log bracket notation. Console.log person name. Console.log person age. Modifying object properties. You can update or add view properties to an object using don't or bracket notation. Methods in objects. Functions can be stored as values in objects. These functions are referred to as methods. They belong to an object. Methods and objects. Functions can be stored as values in objects. These functions are referred to methods when they belong to an object. Keyword. This keyword in method refers to the object it belongs to. It allows methods to access other properties of the object. Nested object. Nested objects can contain other objects as properties, allowing for more complex data structures. Objects methods, brackets, objects keys, and objects variables. Object keys return an array of the object as properties name. Object values returns as arrays of objects as values. Console.log object.keys person, console.log objects.variables person. Deleting properties. You can delete a property from an object using the delete keyword. Loops in JavaScript. Loops in JavaScript allow you repeated executed a block of code as long as a condition is true. Common loops are for, while, and do while. For loop. The for loop is most common type of loop in JavaScript. It runs a block of code a specific number of times based on defining condition. It consists of three parts: initialization, condition, duration. Step initialization sets the starting point. Condition. The loop conditions while this condition is true. It has change the counter or variables after each loop. While loop. The while loop runs as long as a specified condition is true. It checks the condition before executing the loop block. Do while loop. The do while loop is similar to the while loop, but it that the block of code will be executed at least once, as the condition is evaluated after the block code has been executed. For a loop. The for loop is used to iterate over the keys of an object. It um, loops through the properties of an object. For of loop. The for of loops is used to iterate over readable objects like arrays, string, maps, etc. Loops through the values of an iterable object. Break and continue statement. Break execute the loop when executed. Entry continue skip the count iteration and move to the next iteration of the loop. Thank you.